All right. Good morning. It's a little bit after 9 here, Eastern Standard Time. New year. We had Tuesday the 3rd, 2023. Looking at the SPY pre-market. I'll be interested to see what happens here. 9 o'clock, we got a little bit of bump here, but this is what we're looking at. We have the daily anchored VWAP from, was this the August? Yeah, so this is the mid-August high here. There's the anchored VWAP from there. We have the one from, what was this, like a couple weeks ago? Yeah, mid-December. So it'll be interesting to see if we can get above that. I mean, actually, we're not even above the October low, right? We're still trading below that. We have this uptrend ray here, which, I mean, I don't know what is put to, beat down this the pre-market action here. Obviously, we have 30 minutes here to see what really happens for the day, but I'm assuming we're going to stay probably below this uptrend ray. It'd be nice if we can close above this. I mean, I would start to feel a little bullish if we can get above this light blue line from the October low. Obviously, the big one's probably going to be, well, not the big one, but the one that's the near term, I could start feeling semi-bullish about the situation is if we can get above this formation. So right here, basically this dotted line, which is the anchored VWAP from, the monthly anchored VWAP from, again, August. So if we can get above that, and we have the anchored VWAP from this mid-December high rejection, that would make me feel I'd be happy and a big sigh of relief, because at least we'd be above the formation, above what has been resistance, and at least have a solid setup for a potential run back up towards the big green line from the all-time high. Angle of attack over the last couple days is pretty steep, so we've kind of put the brakes on and then found this uptrend ray from the October low when we've hit that a few times. So, I mean, there's a setup for a bounce. I don't think we have a setup for a big move higher. I would say the only thing that, if we do reverse here, is that this could be a legitimate higher low setting in, right? So every time we've had a rejection, we've had a little bit of a bounce, right? So here's the first one. There's a bounce right here, and then we get rejected hard lower. So you could say these two match up, right? And then we have a bounce here. You could say that's, well, in a way this, but every time we sell off really hard, there's a few days in a row where it kind of comes to a break, gets pop, and then gets sold off. Yeah, see, like, a little bit of a gasp, fall down, potential for rally, gets slapped down. Same thing here. Potential rally, slap down. I have a strong feeling that regardless of the FOMC minutes at the end of the week, even if it's like kind of a neutral, I still think we see a sell-off. Essentially what we need to see is such bad news that the market has a strong capitulation because everything's going south, and then we start hearing the Fed start talking about easing rates. That's probably the only thing that's going to really get this market to just whip up. We can maybe hope for better than expected inflation data and better than expected earnings over the next few months, maybe from Q4. Maybe there were some strong businesses that did well that could keep the S&P up. They did well during the holidays. Energy should still be good, right? So those guys are making, absolute killing now. The gas prices are still elevated in the United States, despite oil falling off basically the whole year. Anyway, let's get into some stocks here. Here's healthy dividends. Why is Takeda up 3%? That's not negligible. What's going on here, boys? Oh, she's just trading strong. Okay. It could just be pre-market volume. Novo. That was a good setup. That was a good buy. Baxter, man, you are just... Why is Amgen down so much? Ooh. I'll have to check our targets on that. But see, that's a good spot. If you're looking, if anybody's looking for Amgen, you might, and you're dying to get in, you could probably get something around this 250 something, and then there's another, basically right here, this is a decent spot, 257 area, and then under that you got 254. Solid support 247, and there's a really nice looking setup if you can get 230. I doubt you can get that, but it's a lot of volume in the right around 247. So if you're looking to get a little bit of just a taste of something, then that's not a bad spot. Anyway, Baxter still just rough days. CVS, what happened to you? Come on, man. Jeez. GSK. Yeah, see, it's just nonsense this morning. Let's see what's going on there. Not bad. Well, bad. Looking better. How about that? I shouldn't say not bad. Looking better. Is BioBoom going to be the... $107. That's probably where I look for. I mean, I'm happy with my position right now. I'm not looking to get huge on these guys, but that's where I'd look. ACAD starting to get strong again. Yeah, so if you're looking for ACAD, I love that company. They do not suck. So is that coming off this? No, I think the angles, I think this is it. So this is the, yeah. So that's where they're moving there. That's pretty good. Let's see. Yeah, that was probably something at one point. Let's see where this goes. Yep, that was one. Boom, boom, breaks out, retests, and now we're curling away. So that was one. So in general, we're looking good. Galt's getting beat down. TSVT, AQST, that's a good one. IMPL, that's another one. I am looking at VSTM for another potential buy here. I don't think they're dead in the water, to be honest with you. So starting to get some strength here. Might not be a bad time to add. I don't like committing to doubling down, but you know, you could, if I can get that. I mean, even if I can make a quick, even if it's just, I want to get below 50, that's for sure. And I think we're getting to a point where there's potential double bottom setup. And the valuation, I don't know if we'll get back up to, like, say, 60 cents, 50, 60 cents. I doubt we'll get to 75, but I wouldn't mind making, like, a good 50% on a move. And then just dumping it, and then letting the profits sit. See if they can make some sort of resurgence. It's trading below 40 with volume. Like, it's gonna be way down here. There's gonna be plenty of people. See how much volume they've accumulated here. You got people booking profits. Basically, it's my game plan, which would be book profits on a spike, which is obviously gonna, you know, prevent a full resurgence back into like $1.20 or whatever. So it would take months and months and months to get, even on positive news and the whole market getting a nice bid and the small caps and the biotechs, it's going to take a while. I doubt, you know, anything short of like some sort of buyout chatter or their next data readout, which I think is in the first half of this year, being like absolutely outstanding. I doubt this gets back up above $1 anytime soon. So it's not something I want to like. I'm gonna really look to book. If I do it, I'm gonna look to book profits really quickly, just because it's below $1 and the market's going to not really commit to it until it's back above $1 because the old NASDAQ listing and all that stuff. So company's probably gonna need some money at some point, etc., etc. When is this? Isn't this supposed to be done? Oh, no. It is this quarter, though, that they say they'll be done. I don't know. I think I'll probably end up selling the rest of this. Why not? Why not today? Why not today? I'll maybe sell the rest of my Veo today. How are you doing? I haven't checked this guy out in a while. I take a look at it, but I haven't dug into any of the fundamentals recently. Not bad if you're looking. Blue's actually holding up. I'm surprised by this. All right, I'm going to leave it there. Oh, Schrodinger was another one that was... It's SIRS. Yeah, SIRS, Schrodinger. Yeah. Definitely worth looking at. Their data was good. Getting close, though. So, really got to get above. Really about $20 is where it'll get interesting. But you can see the algo still got her bad. Thanks, Kathy Woods. Oh, getting close here. I will see. All right. I will do my best to get a watch list going for this morning. It's just such low volume selling or buying. I'm not feeling. XBI maybe is making a solid move. Let's watch the XBI. Maybe that might be our best guess here. Yeah, she's starting to turn a little green here, so we got some bullishness. So why, if there's probably something in their small cap and then Bio Boom and Bioreactor that you're looking at. A line maybe here. Excel's another one that I think 16 is the buy threshold here, but it's pretty close. It's trading above, so that one might not be too bad. All right, I'll put some names in there. Good luck. No rush. I think the market's the short week and the data readout in the second half of the week is going to keep probably today and tomorrow pretty low key, but we'll see. Actually, you know what? I think they move. Is housing tomorrow? They moved it up because of this short. I actually double check our economic dates for just because I think they might move some stuff around because of the abbreviated week. Other than that, I got nothing. Working on something for Veristem. I'll put that in there. It'll be a good discussion. All right, good luck.